Morning everyone, an early start this morning. I thought I'd do another quick update video from the workshop here just to let you know what I'm doing. I'm doing a customized order for a customer who has ordered a large format print framed of Dunluce Castle in the north coast. So I already had a framed copy of it, and the customer's seen another frame that I had in born and bred in Belfast, and asked could I do it in this moulding here. So I thought I'd show you it. So it's a nice heavy duty polycore moulding, like a silver grey effect. Really nice stuff to work with. It comes individually wrapped, so it must be good stuff. So I'm going to show you just the process of me making that, and the print is drying at the minute as I speak. I've pressed it and I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I'll make the mount for that, put it all together, glaze it, and shrink wrap it and put it out to the customer. So this wee video is just to show you that I'm a one-stop shop for all these things: the print shop, the framing shop, the glazing, everything, and it all comes from my own studio. So I thought I'd put this out online, let people see the entire process. That's the silver frame finished. So I thought it'd be worth showing you the print just before I put it inside the frame, because in the previous video you couldn't really see the print because of the reflection of the glass. So before I put it in, I'll let you see it, but there's the frame ready to go. The glass is just sitting aside at the minute, but there is the print mounted all, so you can sort of see. I'll just move this a bit closer, get an idea. Pretty decent quality. There's the title box that I use on them, and it's a double mounted print. I usually mount these large prints double, just for sturdiness and longevity, but it's a beautiful print, as you can see. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like inside this frame. So I'll go on to the next stage now, which is putting the glass in, giving it a good clean down, polishing the glass, and then mounting the print inside the frame itself. So as promised, I said I would show you the finished article. Now that I've actually put the whole print and frame together. I did time lapse the actual process of doing it, but it didn't come out. Some kind of storage problem, so nothing I can do about that. But here it is. Now I am behind glass, so you can see the reflection. I'll just bring it forward a bit, maybe you can see it. But hats off to this customer, very good taste. It came out really well, very happy with that. Looks really good quality. It's a big heavy thick frame, that, so it really suits this print, and it goes well with the colours that's in it. You know, especially when the castles highlighted with the sun there, and came out excellent. I will do a separate video on how I mount the prints and how I press them and how I create that title box. I'll do that in another day, but this one here, thumbs up, and the previous one, the black satin frame, very happy with both of those. They're going off now to happy homes, and now just going to shrink wrap it and give the customer a shout. All in all, it's taken me most of the day to put the final touches to this, by the time I let the glue dry and everything else. So it's been a pretty good project. 2 large ones finished this afternoon. The prints have been drying all week in the last few days. It takes a few days for those to dry, and you have to let them cure, and then I press them. So hopefully very happy customers at the end of this, and roll on the next one. Hope it's straightforward just like these last two. Okay, see you soon. Bye.